Bharatiya Sanskriti Darshan Trust Cancer Research Project was established in 1994 by Revered Prabhakar Keshav Sardeshmukh Maharaj, an authority in Indian medical science, Dr. S.P. Sardeshmukh Sir, a renowned Ayurvedic physician, and Dr. Arvind Kulkarni, former HOD Radiotherapy Department at Bombay Hospital. The project was initially started at Wagholi, Pune, Mumbai and Solapur. The project was coordinated by Dr. Shirish Kumthekar, a well-known oncosurgeon at Solapur. Right now, the project has branches at Kolhapur, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, New Delhi and Bangalore. The project was started with the aim of improving quality of life, minimizing side effects of chemotherapy and radiotherapy, and increasing survival of cancer patients. Biopsy-proven cancer patients are enrolled in the project. Till date, more than 14,000 cancer patients of all grades and stages are benefited with adjunct Ayurvedic treatment at the center. In 2009, the center was funded by Department of Atomic Energy for establishment of Cobalt Radiotherapy Department. In 2010, it was funded by Ministry of Ayush and was recognized as Center of Excellence. Then in 2010, it was named as Integrated Cancer Treatment and Research Center and was inaugurated by the then President of India, Srimati Pratibha Tai Patil. Cancer patients avail oncosurgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and Ayurvedic treatment under one roof at Integrated Cancer Treatment and Research Center. From last 2 years, poor and needy cancer patients get free of cost conventional treatment under Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jana Arogya Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jana Arogya Yojana. A team of well-known oncosurgeon, chemotherapist and radiotherapist impart their services at the center. Integrated Cancer Treatment and Research Center is affiliated to Indian Cancer Society. Bharatiya Sanskriti Darshan Trust is recognized as Scientific Industrial Research Organization (CIRO) by Department of Science and Technology (DST). In 2011, Honorable Padma Vibhushan Ratanji Tata Sir visited our center at Wagholi, Pune and Mumbai and interacted with our cancer patients treated with adjunct Ayurvedic treatment. Tata Trust has funded us for establishment of 60-bedded Panchakarma Hospital for cancer patients, establishment of immunology, molecular biology, tissue culture and zebrafish laboratories, and for carrying out scientific research for documenting efficacy of Ayurvedic treatment on modern yardsticks, mainly for breast and oral cavity cancer. Safety and efficacy of Ayurvedic drugs is well tested in Drug Standardization Laboratory funded by Tata Trust and with animal toxicity studies carried out at ACTRAC. For clinical and basic research, we have collaborated with ACTRAC, a research wing of Tata Cancer Center, Sahyadri Hospital, Curie Manavta Cancer Hospital, Nasik, CSIR, NCL and IDRAL. Late Dr. Sudha Gangal, a renowned immunologist at Tata Cancer Center, was our research advisor. Professor Emeritus Dr. Mrs. Vidya Gupta, a chief scientist at CSIR NCL, is our current research advisor. Dr. Rajiv Sarin and Dr. Shubha Chiplunkar, former directors of ACTRAC, are the collaborators of various research projects carried out at ICTRC. We have published many research papers in peer-reviewed journals and presented our research work in national and international conferences organized at India, Germany and USA on the topic of cancer and Ayurveda. We have filed and published 8 patents of Ayurvedic formulations nationally and internationally effective in the management of various types of cancers. We have organized 5 international conferences on Ayurveda for cancer to put forth worldwide research in integrative oncology on one platform. The 6th International Conference on Ayurveda for Cancer will be conducted from 9 to 11 December 2022 at Wagholi, Pune. We are organizing free cancer consultation camps, Panchakarma camps, cancer awareness lectures, exhibitions, workshops, and seminars for community awareness. ICTRC had certain plans of expansion of various oncology departments at Wagholi, Pune. The estimated cost of the project is 1000 crore. The donors are exempted under Income Tax Section 3512, ATG and FCRA.